In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule meetings in Slack the right way using calendar integrations. Let's clear up a common confusion first. Slack huddles are designed for quick, impromptu conversations. They're great for jumping into a real-time chat with teammates, but they aren't meant to be scheduled in advance. There's no built-in option to reserve a time for a huddle, send calendar invitations, or hold a spot on people's schedules. That's intentional because huddles are about immediacy and spontaneity. So, if you need a planned meeting at a specific time, the right approach is to use a calendar integration inside Slack, such as Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar. These apps let you schedule a meeting the way you normally would, and then share it directly in Slack so everyone gets an invitation with a proper meeting link and a calendar event on their end. Here's how this typically works at a high level. You connect your calendar app to Slack. Once connected, you can create a meeting from your calendar or from the calendar app within Slack. When you schedule the event, include your conferencing link like Google Meet, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams, just as you would normally. The calendar integration will send the invitations and, if you choose, post the event details in a channel or DM. Attendees can see the time, the agenda, and the join link in one place, and they'll get reminders before the meeting starts. A few helpful tips to make this smoother. Choose the channel where the discussion will happen so people can find the details later. Add a short agenda in the event description so everyone knows what to prepare. Double-check time zones for distributed teams to avoid conflicts. If you enable notifications, Slack can remind participants as the meeting approaches, reducing no-shows. And if your company uses multiple meeting platforms, be consistent with the link you include so there's no confusion when it's time to join. Remember, trying to schedule a huddle won't give you a reserved slot or calendar coverage. If you drop a huddle link ahead of time, it won't behave like a scheduled meeting and people may miss it. Using the calendar integration ensures the event lands on everyone's calendar, includes the join link, and sends updates if the time changes. To recap, use huddles for quick, in-the-moment conversations, and use Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar inside Slack to schedule formal meetings with invitations and links. That way, your team stays organized, on time, and ready to collaborate.